Alrighty, time to do a little bit of a catfish fry. Alright, as you can see here, I got some seasoned flour that I floured with a little bit of seasoning salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Gonna pat that on my catfish fillet. Douse it in my egg wash. And again, using the whole dry hand, wet hand method. The trick I found to make that work is to your dominant hand. I'm left-handed. I make that the wet hand, and I make my right hand the dry hand. All right, let's get ready to fry these motherfuckers in oil. All right, time to lie these things in oil. The oil might have been a tick too cold for this, but trust me, it turned out fine in the end. It's heating up nice. And then lay the other one in, and when they are getting to be golden brown, when you notice they start getting golden brown on the edges, give them a flip. All right, let's lay the second one in there. This shouldn't take as long. Remember, always try to lay away from you, or because if you lay towards you, like I made the mistake there, you can get some splatter, but I was laying it in so gently that I didn't think we'd have an issue. Of course, get the wrong type of tongs and accidentally rip the fish. You can kind of see it's golden brown there. And this really shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes. Really, just kind of do the poke test. If it's firm to the touch, your fish is done. Not super firm, but, kind of that nice medium. Or you can use a meat thermometer. I think catfish is like 150-ish for it to be done. And keep in mind, this is going to keep cooking even after you pull it off. So once it's done, place it on some paper towels to drain, and then we'll be ready to serve. All right, for a final kind of flip, this is what you're looking for here. Nice and golden brown. Also, make sure you keep breaking shit off. Okie dokie, and once it's done cooking, this is what we're looking for. So, this is Dave's fried catfish. Done. But before we go, let's do just a little taste test. Absolutely delicious.